and we all looked at it and we were like, wow, that looks a lot like what we're looking for.
We're announcing that Breakthrough Listen is going to deploy the most powerful digital instrument ever used in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence.
Within the hallowed halls of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration's headquarters, a blaring alert suddenly pierced the air. Heads turned, pulses quickened, and eyes widened as the display revealed a signal unlike anything humanity had ever witnessed. The source was massive, its origins shrouded in mystery, and its purpose unknown. Scientists and astronomers were left utterly baffled, unable to fathom where it came from or why it was sent. Could it be a message from extraterrestrial beings attempting to communicate with us? Join us in today's video as we delve into the perplexing mystery of NASA's alert systems, unraveling the secrets of a colossal object that has begun sending signals to Earth. The final frontier, a vast expanse that scientists and astronomers have barely scratched the surface of, holds secrets that will leave you shocked. The tantalizing possibility of finding life forms unrelated to humanity in space has captivated our imaginations and fueled our relentless pursuit of space exploration. But as humans cannot possibly venture to the far reaches of the universe, they've turned to ingenious tools like telescopes and NASA's alert systems to detect any signs of extraterrestrial activity. These technological marvels have granted us glimpses into the enigmatic depths of space, but nothing could prepare us for the recent discovery of a radio signal emanating from a galaxy located a staggering 9 billion light-years away from Earth. This unprecedented detection, as revealed by the Indian Institute of Science, has shattered all previous records. Could this signal be a message from an alien civilization residing in that distant galaxy, akin to the leaked transmissions from Proxima Centauri, our nearest star system? The renowned scientist Andrew Simeon and his team from the University of California, Berkeley have been studying this signal, which exhibits unique properties that have passed many checks but remain a mystery. What adds to the intrigue is that the signal occupies an incredibly narrow radio spectrum band, 982 MHz to be exact, an area typically devoid of human-made transmissions. We are not aware of any natural way to compress electromagnetic energy into a single bit in frequency like this occurs, Simeon remarked, pondering the possibility of unknown exotic quirk of plasma physics as the source. Yet for now, the only explanation we have is technological, leaving us with more questions than answers. What could this signal be, and who or what could have sent it? NASA's alert system, in conjunction with the ambitious $100 million Breakthrough Listen project, led by Simeon and generously supported by billionaire Yuri Milner at Breakthrough Initiatives, made this jaw-dropping discovery. The groundbreaking project, which commenced in 2015, with a star-studded announcement graced by luminaries like Stephen Hawking, aims to scour the skies with radio telescopes from around the world in search of irrefutable evidence of technological civilizations, a pursuit more commonly known as the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. Despite over half a century of diligent yet modest SETI activity, no convincing evidence has surfaced, with potential signals mostly debunked as originating from human-made satellites or other earthly interference. But now, this unexpected twist has emerged, adding to the allure of the quest. If you see such a signal and it's not coming from the surface of Earth, you know you have detected extraterrestrial technology, commented Jason Wright, a SETI astronomer at Penn State University in Pennsylvania, on the significance of this recent signal detection. This remarkable discovery, however, had its origins as far back as April 29, 2019, when scientists and astronomers joined forces with Breakthrough Listen and commenced the meticulous process of collecting data. Little did they know that this data collection endeavor would eventually unveil a captivating signal that defies conventional explanations. In their quest to understand the enigmatic Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf star that hosts at least 2 intriguing worlds, the team had been diligently observing it using the powerful Parkes radio telescope in Australia. Their primary focus was to study the star's flares and how they could potentially disrupt the planets in its system. Proxima Centauri's first known planet, Proxima b, discovered in 2016, is about 1.2 times larger than Earth and orbits the star in a mere 11 days, making it a captivating target for further investigation. Positioned in the star's habitable zone, where liquid water could potentially exist on a rocky planet's surface, Proxima b held particular significance. However, the star's potent flares posed a potential threat to the planet's habitability. Another planet, Proxima c, with a mass of roughly 7 times that of Earth, was discovered in 2019, orbiting in a frigid 5.2-year path. As part of their routine with the ambitious Breakthrough Listen project, which also searches for signals of extraterrestrial intelligence, the team flagged the data from their observations for a later analysis. This task was entrusted to a young and talented intern named Shane Smith, who was part of the Simeon SETI program at Berkeley and an undergraduate at Hillsdale College. Smith diligently combed through the data, and it was 4 months later that he stumbled upon something truly remarkable. A curious narrowband signal at 982 MHz hiding in plain sight within the Proxima Centauri observations. From that moment, excitement skyrocketed for good reason. The discovery made by Shane was baffling, yet incredibly intriguing, leaving the team of scientists overjoyed at this unprecedented breakthrough. Sophia Sheikh, a scientist from Penn State University who led the subsequent analysis of the signal for Breakthrough Listen, exclaimed, "It's the most exciting signal we've found in the Breakthrough Listen project because we haven't had a signal jump through this many of our filters before." Sheikh was also the lead author of a published paper detailing their groundbreaking work. Eventually, the team formally named the signal BLC-1, short for Breakthrough Listen Candidate 1, in recognition of its significance. The hunt for extraterrestrial signals is no walk in the park for SETI researchers. A barrage of automated tests stand guard, weeding out false alarms caused by earthly interference. But amidst the sea of candidates, this signal stands out. Sheikh and her team, armed with previous data, return to the telescope, scanning the skies around Proxima Centauri. They employ a technique called nodding, carefully verifying that the signal indeed originates from the target. And there it is, coming back in 5 of the 30-minute observations over 3 hours, a tantalizing hint that the source is deep in space, far beyond Earth. One might think the case is closed, but the mystery is far from solved. Theories abound, with speculations of an alien origin still on the table. While a natural cosmic explanation seems unlikely, it cannot be ruled out entirely. Yet an unnatural explanation, such as contact with otherworldly beings, is even more impossible. The Breakthrough Listen team stands firm, with almost every member dismissing the possibility of terrestrial interference. The chances of this being anything other than an extraordinary phenomenon are remote indeed. The possible thing is that it's from some human cause, speculates Pete Worden, the visionary executive director of the groundbreaking Breakthrough Initiatives. With unwavering rational skepticism, Worden confidently concludes, and when I say most likely, it's 99.9%. Even tech billionaire Yuri Milner, who launched Breakthrough Listen with the late Stephen Hawking, shares Worden's scientific rigor. When we embarked on this mission in 2015, recalls Milner, we pledged to analyze all candidate signals with the utmost scientific scrutiny. Despite their initial expectations, the enigmatic BLC-1 refused to fade away under intense inspection. Months of painstaking analysis and research were meticulously carried out to eliminate all other possible sources, while BLC-1, believed to have originated from Proxima Centauri, puzzled the team. It lacked the telltale sign of modulation or tweaks that could convey information, as noted by Simeon, one of the lead researchers. BLC-1 is, for all purposes and intents, just a tone, just one note, Simeon remarked, adding, it has absolutely no extra features that we can discern at this point. Additionally, they were astounded to observe that the BLC-1 signal was drifting, with a slight change in frequency. This unexpected phenomenon presented 2 possibilities. Either it was an after effect caused by the movement of a planet, or it could be a moving extraterrestrial source, or even a massive transmitter on the surface of one of Proxima Centauri's worlds. However, what baffled them even more was that the drift was in the opposite direction of what they anticipated. We would have expected the signal to be going down in frequency like a trombone, explains Sheikh. But instead we see what looks like a slide whistle, the frequency goes up. As they continued their investigation, follow-up observations using the Parkes telescope failed to detect the BLC-1 signal again. A repeat observation is now crucial to confirm whether BLC-1 is a genuine techno-signature or not. Nevertheless, despite the uncertainty, BLC-1 remains one of the most intriguing signals ever discovered by Breakthrough Listen, or any SETI program to date. It stands on par with the legendary WOW signal detected in 1977, which is still believed to be of extraterrestrial origin, leaving the team in awe of the mysteries that await as they delve deeper into the unknowns of the cosmos. However, can we truly say the same about the mysterious signals detected within our very own Milky Way? This enigmatic signal emanating from within our galaxy has piqued the curiosity of scientists who stumbled upon it during their cosmic investigations. Dubbed as fast radio bursts, FRBs, these signals have been the subject of study for astronomers for 14 years, but only from sources outside our galaxy. However, their luck took an unexpected turn when two ground-based radio telescopes detected an intense pulse of radio waves originating from within the Milky Way. It was a groundbreaking moment, as it marked the first time an FRB had ever been found within our own cosmic neighborhood, even though it lasted for just a fleeting millisecond. Situated approximately 30,000 light-years away from Earth, this cosmic enigma was spotted by the Canadian Hydrogen Intensity Mapping Experiment and the Survey for Transient Astronomical Radio Emissions 2. Astonishingly, this discovery was accidental, as Kiyoshi Masui, an assistant professor of physics at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, noted that CHIME wasn't even pointed in the right direction, yet the FRB was still detected loud and clear in their peripheral vision. Masui humorously added, Stare 2 also saw it, and it's only a set of a few radio antennae made out of cake pans. This record-breaking discovery also marked the most energetic radio blast ever recorded within the Milky Way. However, what adds even more intrigue to this cosmic puzzle is that scientists are now closer than ever to unraveling the origin of these fast radio bursts. This momentous discovery has left scientists ecstatic, as FRBs have typically been observed billions of light-years away, making them incredibly challenging to study. So do you believe these enigmatic signals could be of alien origin? Share your thoughts in the comments section below and join the conversation.